Welcome back to Overland DAFs. Thanks for joining us on our Uluru expedition. In this video we will travel from Rubyvale in the gemfields of Queensland all the way to Mount Isa, the Oasis of the Outback.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark.
The memorial of the Tree of Knowledge in Barcaldine is an impressive sight, rich with Australian history.
Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away?
We made it to Longreach and camped at Apex Riverside Camp. It was a little bit crowded, but convenient for an overnight stop.
Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark.
I tell you, without that tough terrain warning, we would have had no shelter. It really saved the day.
I know you're tired.
The next day, we toured the Stockman's Hall of Fame. There is so much history within these walls, a must-see for everyone. We then filled up the water and hit the road to Winton for an overnight stay and then on to Mount Isa. closer you get to Mount Isa, the more road train traffic there is, and their manoeuvres. After a good night's rest at Mount Isa, we decided to get up early to explore some local tracks. The rock here in Mount Isa is very sharp shale, capable of cutting any tyre if you pick the wrong line. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe on YouTube, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and of course our website. Links in the description below.